Hey guys, my name is Robert Dailey and this is the Recreational Woodworker. Today I'm going to build a really cool custom bookcase for a customer, and I'm also going to produce a set of plans that you can take and customize to build your own bookcases in different sizes and things like that. So the first thing we have to do are make the legs. The legs are going to be 2 inches by 2 inches. I don't have a lumber mill local to my area that can mill up quickly and cost effectively some 2x2, some true 2-inch by 2-inch lumber that's going to be good and stable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to laminate some 1x's together and then plane and cut them down on the table saw. Now I'm going to run it through my thickness planer to clean it up. And what I'm going to do is called skip planing, where I'm just going to take a little bit off of one side, flip it over, and then take a little bit off the other side. So we have our legs done, we routed, put our tapers and our round over on there. This is purely the decorative part of this build. Now you're probably wondering how I'm gonna connect this where it's flush to the inside. That's pretty easy. I'm gonna use dominoes in this case, but you can still use pocket holes. If I was doing this out of solid wood instead of plywood, I would definitely probably just do a floating middle panel between this, but because I'm using plywood, I don't have to take that step. Okay, now I'm ready to glue up my top. I already have my boards jointed and ready to lay out my dominoes. The bottom, I'm gonna do a really cool pull-out tray for an aquarium, not an aquarium, like a terrarium that the customer has. And then underneath that will be a really cool place for some hidden storage. And I think that's gonna look really cool whenever I get it done. So I'm gonna glue this up, and then it'll be time to drill shelf pins and then really sand the body and get it painted. Alright, so I have this painted now. Painted a nice flat black with Kelly-Moore Durapoxy cabinet paint is what I use. And it's drying now. It's got just a really low luster to it. I have done 2 coats. I am probably going to do 3 top coats just to really build a nice full coat on this. I still need to glue up my shelves. Shelves are going to be made of maple, and we're actually going to stain those with an Old Masters special walnut stain. It's going to look really, really sharp when I'm done with it. Alright, so I have my cabinet built, and I am ready to do my bottom pull out. Basically, I made a U shape instead of just your traditional drawer. I am done with this bookcase. I'm really proud of how it turned out. So down here at the bottom, how this ended up turning out is really awesome. So I'm gonna show you that in just a second. This is what I'm super proud of right here. That pulls out to reveal some hidden storage. And then once it closes, unless you know it's there, you're not ever gonna notice that. Hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.